Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम उस्मान है. I'm based here in the US for the last 38 years and I'm a co-founder of Enable Autism in Islamabad. We actually started it around 7 years ago. We were one of the earliest ones in Islamabad, if not in the entire country of Pakistan. The reason I started it was because my own son is on the spectrum. He's mashallah 23 years of age now. In between somewhere, around 7-8 years ago, we were also in Dubai for a few years. And it's one of those challenges in life. No matter how much money you throw at it, that problem doesn't get solved. So in Dubai, my wife and I decided to come back to the US. So when we were coming back to the US, we said, well, wait a minute, if we can take our child from Dubai back to the US, we have similar children in Pakistan. So why can't we do something for that? The ultimate vision is to make a platform which is both on ground in terms of a cohesive integrated program for children and adolescents, and also as I said to use some degree adults, and with a variety of activities, right? Whether it has to do with the typical therapies that you would see: ABA, speech, OT, social skills, functional academics, life skills, vocational skills. We also take our children to equine therapy. The reason I'm introducing myself is because I wanted to make sure that at the end of the day, ये जो सेंटर है ना, ये बच्चों का उनका एक हाथ हमारे हाथ में है और दूसरा हाथ आपके as parents का. These are all our children, right? I actually sometimes call them these are children of God, in that sense. So we have a day program right now, as we speak right now, where we are at. We have a day program, we have an evening program. We also have, by the way, a separate thing which we call Enable Academy, which is evening program for underprivileged children, which is absolutely free. Just like you will see in Pakistan, there's Shaukat Khanum Hospital hai, ya Indus Hospital hai, Karachi mein. They have the same mindset. So we don't reduce the quality of service based on affordability. The core जो emotional need थी मेरी इसको start करने की, वो वही थी. वो काफ़ी एक फिल्मी dialogue है. I'm being absolutely candid with you कि जी हमारे मरने के बाद जो नहीं ये बच्चे अपना खुद ख्याल रख सकें. अब मैं नहीं चाहता कि बच्चे जो नहीं बोझ बने अपने बहन भाइयों पे. They should take care of their own bodies, right? कभी अगर अपना ख्याल रख सकें, नहा धो सकें, साफ हो सकें, किसी के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकें अपनी नीड्स के मुतालिक, कम्युनिटी में उनको रिस्पेक्ट मिल सके. हम अपने बच्चों को, यस हमारे बच्चे हमको हर वेश बाहर ले जाते हैं, चाहे मैकडॉनल्ड्स जाना हो या KFC जाना हो या पार्क्स जाना हो या ट्रैक्स पे जाना हो. इस्लामाबाद में मैं अपने बच्चों को दुनिया में हर जगह लेके जाता हूँ without a second thought कि जाना चाहिए उसको, ये नहीं जाना चाहिए. He loves going out. So yes, we want to make sure they're functioning independent by the time we are not part of their lives. And the other thing is they need to be productive. And har insan needs to feel productive at the end of the day, otherwise they will have behavioral issues. One of the things that we want to do is start our own bakery with these children. We want to do our own nursery by gardening nursery. We want to have our own computer-based program. In this day and age of AI, I'm sure there's so many avenues that we can tap into, explore to make them feel productive. So please come, participate, bring your child here, test us out, co-partner with us, build this platform for your own child and for all the other children. It will be a privilege, and it will be a privilege absolutely on the day of judgment that we tried to do something really good. Thank you so much. I'm always, by the way, accessible to each and every parent. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, आपके वक्त का. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.